Love and sensibility. In the quiet glow of candlelight, the world feels softer. Shadows dance gently on the walls, as if even the night is holding its breath, afraid to interrupt this moment. Here, time slows down, not because it must, but because love asks it to. She closes her eyes, not to escape the world, but to feel him more deeply. His presence is calm, steady, familiar, like a place her heart has known long before her mind could understand it. Every breath they share feels intentional, meaningful, sacred. He leans closer, resting his forehead against hers. There is no need for words. They have already spoken enough. Love does not always arrive loudly. Sometimes it whispers, and those whispers are stronger than any promise ever made. The warmth between them is not only desire, it is trust. It is the quiet courage of choosing one another, even when the world feels uncertain, even when logic says, "Be careful," and the heart says, "Stay." She remembers the moments when she doubted herself, the nights when love felt like a risk too dangerous to take. But here, in his arms, doubt fades. Because real love does not ask for perfection, it asks for honesty, for vulnerability, for the bravery to be seen. His hand rests gently on her arm, not to hold her in place, but to remind her, "I am here, not just now, but in the moments that follow, in the days that test them, in the future that waits quietly beyond this room." Outside, the world continues, fast, loud, demanding. But inside this space, love is patient. It listens. It understands that hearts are fragile, yet incredibly strong. She smiles softly, still with her eyes closed, because she knows this is not just passion. This is connection, the kind that grows in silence, the kind that survives time, the kind that feels like coming home. And as the candlelight flickers, they stay close, not chasing the future, not running from the past, just choosing this moment and choosing each other, again and again.